Thank you guys for tuning in to another edition of our installation videos here. Today I want to show you how to install our new product called the Liquid Quartz. As always, we will start off by our safety gear. We need to put on our booties, sleeves, if not wearing a long sleeve shirt, respirator mask, and eye protection. The Liquid Quartz consists of a 2-component 100% solids epoxy along with an aggregate mix. We want to start by mixing the A component first to make sure we get all the product blended together for approximately 15 to 20 seconds. We then want to pour the A and the B components into a 5-gallon bucket. We're going to mix it for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Once you have thoroughly mixed the epoxy, now we're going to introduce the liquid quartz aggregate. Be sure to mix the aggregate slowly so you're not creating too much dust. We recommend using a heavy-duty mortar mixer to blend the products. Make sure you mix this thoroughly for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Also, be sure that you scrape the edges of the bucket to get all the unmixed components free. Run the drill once again and blend the rest of the components together for an additional 60 seconds. It is required to prime the floor first, either with our 4195 or 4100 epoxy primers. The liquid quartz is a self-leveling product. For this application, you want to use a 1/8 inch hand trowel. The use of the notch trowel will help us get closer to the edges, especially in those 90-degree corners. We're also going to use a 1/8 inch notch squeegee to spread the product out with. Working the product back and forward across the surface. The aim here is to keep the product nice and even. The liquid quartz will get you approximately 20 to 27 square feet per gallon. One box of aggregate, which weighs approximately 18 pounds, is good for 1.5 gallons of epoxy. Now you want to use a 3/8 inch lint-free nap roller, working the product back and forward to even out the coverage and the build across the surface. We will use a porcupine or a spike roller to back roll the surface to help agitate any air pockets in the aggregate to release them. Pro tip, as you walk off the floor, use the spike roller to eliminate any of the spike shoe marks. As you can see, the finished product looks beautiful and ready to go. However, we do recommend a Polyaspartic Top Coat for the UV stability and scratch resistance. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call.